बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? होप्स आप सब लोग ठीक ठाक होंगे और खैर वाफियत से होंगे। आप लोग देख रहे हैं स्टडी टाइम यूट्यूब चैनल। अल्लाह पाक आप सबको कामयाब करे। आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ ऐसे ओवर कॉलेज लाइब्रेरी। ये ऐसे आप किसी भी टॉपिक पे किसी भी क्लास में आपको अगर ये टॉपिक मिलता है तो आप लोग लिख सकते हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। ऐसे और कॉलेज लाइब्रेरी होल्ड फास्ट द ड्रीम्स फॉर इफ ड्रीम्स डाई लाइफ इज़ अ ब्रोकन विंग बर्ड दैट कैन नॉट फ्लाई। ये आप लोगों के पास कोटेशन है। कोटेशन यानी जिसने लिखी है उसका अगर आप लोग नाम लिखना चाहते हैं तो नीचे कॉर्नर पे आपको मिल जाएगा कोटेशन के नीचे। वैसे ज़रूरी नहीं होता। ड्रीम्स प्रोवाइड अ स्केच एंड वी कीप ऑन कलरिंग दीज शेड्स विद ऑल आवर एफर्ट्स एंड स्ट्रगल्स। बुक्स आर दी quintessence and crux of the intellect and experience of the sane and sage personalities in the annals of history. Books are the gems and jewels that impart beauty and charm to human wisdom, intellect, personality. In this context, a library is a treasure house that houses these gems and pearls of wisdom and sanity. Books lying in the deep shelves of a library are the silent livings which lay silent and sleepy there and wait for the jeweler who really know their value and importance in real sense. Our college library is certainly one of which jewelry stores that can adorn and embellish the minds and souls of the young pupils at large. I have always imagined that paradise will be a kind of library. The first thing that charms us is the building of our college library. It is quite an old one, but it has a grandeur and grace in it. When we enter the library, an old, sober, and sane clerk welcomes us with a smile on his lips. He seems to be as old as any of book of classical age of Urdu literature. He is precise and sometimes curt to an onlooker and casual visitor, but very civil to those who love books. Beside the reception center, we can see the catalog almirah. These almirahs are specially designed to contain catalog cards. One can easily search the desired book as well as its location if one knows the title or the name of the author of the book. On the left, we have a spacious hall which is crowded with big steel almirahs arranged in a unique style. These almirahs contain books of various categories. There are books on literature, social sciences, geography, geology, history, religion, economy, computer science, biography, translation, language, and astronomy. Each almirah is numbered and has a title of category of books on its head. Every student is allowed to get two books issued in a week and he is bound to return them in a week time. Otherwise, he is fined for every passing day. Daily newspaper, magazine, digest, as well as reference book are not issued. They are to be read or consulted in the library premises. The student get the book issued, study them, and sharpen their minds and intellect. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यही था ऐसे जो मैंने आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर दिया। मैं आप लोगों के साथ सारा शेयर कर लेती हूँ। आप लोग इसे नोट डाउन कर लें और अगर आप लोगों को किसी भी टॉपिक से रिलेटेड नोट्स चाहिए तो मुझे ज़रूर बताएं। If we move to left, we have a large reading room. The room has long table in the center surrounded by many chairs. Here a clerk provide magazine, digest and other weekly and monthly journal to the student. Daily newspaper are also available here. The students are specially advised to study things in the most silent manner. Silence reigns here and the students and teachers are engaged in silent reading here. Then we have a different reference zone. It is a again a big room having many big almirahs in which we have bulky books of many volume like encyclopedias, dictionaries and others. The books are not issued to the student. However, students as well as teachers are allowed to sit and read these books for research purpose. Here in the corner we have the librarian's office. He is an old and sober soul having a lot of experience in bookkeeping and maintaining of library. He is very kind to the student, provide all out help and guidance to the student who are these research scholars in any field of science, social science or humanities. Our college has recently developed an library as a e-library as a section of the main library. In this section we have many computer sets linked with many libraries of the world through internet. This e-library has many softwares which provide the students and research scholars and access to the historical important books and even manuscripts. This section has opened new horizons of research for the students of our college. The best of all these is the atmosphere which our library offers to the student. As soon as we cross the threshold of the library, our imagination is stirred by the fire of thirst, of acquisition, of knowledge and learning. We find everyone here engaged in quenching this thirst of knowledge. Here we imagine that the learning we got so far is so meager and insufficient, and we come to know that we know nothing. The knowledge of insufficiency fills our soul with the fire and energy to move forward and navigate in the ocean of books, and in this way search and explore the new gem and pearls of wisdom and knowledge. Libraries store the energy that fuels the imagination. They open up windows to the world and inspire us to explore the achieve the contribute to improving our quality of life. होप से आप लोगों को समझ आ गई होगी। कोई भी इशू है तो आप लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं। किसी भी टॉपिक से रिलेटेड आप लोगों को नोट्स चाहिए किसी भी सब्जेक्ट के, तो आप लोग मुझे बता सकते हैं। मैं आप लोगों को प्रोवाइड करने की कोशिश करूँगी। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।